We are home. What a long day. Now it is time to relax.
Every evening we have a routine. Today I will teach you all the words.
We finish work for the day. Now we are home and free.
I cook dinner every evening. Tonight I am making soup and rice.
I set the table for dinner. Set the table means prepare it for eating. Keep watching. 6 more verbs coming. And a special phrase at the end.
We eat dinner together every evening. This is our favorite time of day.
After dinner, I wash up the dishes. Wash up means to clean the dishes.
After dinner, I relax in my chair. Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Every evening, I read my book. Reading helps me relax before sleep.
Every evening I water my plants. They need water to stay healthy.
Before bed, I lock the front door. Always lock up at night.
We sleep at 10 o'clock every night. Good sleep is very important for health.
What a long day. We say this when the day was very busy.
Time to wind down. Wind down means to slowly relax after a busy day.
Good night. Sleep tight.
Finish, cook, set, eat, wash up, relax, read, water, lock, sleep. Say them with us.
Do not say, I went to sleep. Say, I fell asleep. Natural English. Remember this always. Today you learned 10 evening verbs and 3 important phrases.
Use them every evening at home.
Next time, I will clean the house. You will learn all the cleaning English.
New English lesson every 2 days.
See you next time. Good night.